Welcome to our Ultimate Graphics Showdown. Today, we are diving into a detailed comparison between two powerful graphics cards, the ASUS GeForce RTX 5070 Ti and the PNY GeForce RTX 5090. We'll explore their specifications, performance capabilities, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the ASUS RTX 5070 Ti offers solid capabilities for gaming and creative tasks, thanks to its 16GB GDDR7 memory and efficient cooling system. However, the PNY RTX 5090 takes the lead with its 32GB GDDR6 memory and higher boost clock speed of 2625 MHz, making it a powerhouse for high-end gaming and demanding applications. If you are looking for the best performance, the RTX 5090 is the clear winner. The design of the ASUS RTX 5070 Ti is optimized for small form factor builds, featuring a compact 2.5-slot design with axial tech fans for effective cooling. In contrast, the PNY RTX 5090 boasts a larger triple fan setup that not only enhances cooling, but also adds a striking aesthetic with ARGB lighting. While both designs serve their purpose, the choice depends on your build requirements and visual preferences. Price is always a critical factor in choosing a graphics card. The ASUS RTX 5070 Ti is priced at $939, making it an attractive option for gamers looking for performance without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the PNY RTX 5090 comes with a hefty price tag of $3,199, reflecting its high-end specifications and capabilities. Ultimately, your budget will play a significant role in your decision. In conclusion, both the ASUS GeForce RTX 5070 Ti and the PNY GeForce RTX 5090 have their unique strengths. The RTX 5070 Ti is a great choice for those looking for a compact and affordable option, while the RTX 5090 is designed for those who demand the best performance and are willing to invest more. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.